Welcome to the Interpro Cabin Network. Today we're going to be talking about the kitchen as a workshop. Kitchens are different from any other room in the home because their primary function is as a production facility. The kitchen receives a shipment of literal raw materials which are stored in appropriate conditions, assembled using purpose-specific tools, and then leave as finished products ready for consumption. This may seem like an overly utilitarian way of looking at a kitchen, but how well a kitchen fulfills its function is directly correlated to how much you'll love it. You'll love a kitchen that allows more than one person to be involved without being in each other's way. You'll love a kitchen where the tools and ingredients are located where they intuitively should be. You'll love a kitchen that's ergonomic and never makes you get on your hands and knees just to retrieve what you need. You'll love a kitchen that makes cleanup quick and painless. You'll love a kitchen that makes good habits easy for every family member to develop and maintain. You'll love a kitchen that seems to know you. As always, thank you for watching the Interpro Cabin Network, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something or liked what you saw.